Ever hit a wall trying to give a client exactly what they need in Acumatica? You know, those really specific customizations.
Oh, yeah.
I think you'll relate to this.
Okay.
We're looking at Tayana Solutions today.
Cool.
One of their software engineers, Premalatha, really came through for a client.
Sounds interesting.
Her background is amazing, by the way.
Really?
Hundreds of custom reports,
Wow.
inquiries, integrations, all that, all in Acumatica.
That's impressive. What kind of situation did she fix?
What's interesting is this wasn't some huge, complicated thing.
Okay.
It was about a small but annoying interaction in Acumatica.
I see.
So you know those custom screens you make sometimes?
All the time?
The ones with pop-up panels to choose data.
Oh, yeah. Those are really common.
This client had one of those.
Okay.
But there's a problem.
Oh.
Users could pick the data, but it wouldn't go into the field on the main screen.
So they'd have to copy and paste it over.
Exactly.
Oh, that's just asking for errors.
And duplicates. It was a mess.
So what did Premalatha do?
Did she have to, like, rewrite the whole pop-up?
You'd think so, right?
Yeah.
Actually, she found a really elegant solution.
Nice.
She just added a button to the pop-up panel.
The button, that's it.
Yeah, a replace button. The magic's all in the code behind it.
Oh, I bet. So what happens when you click that button?
Okay, so it does two things at the same time. First, it updates the database with whatever you picked from the pop-up.
Oh, smart.
And then it refreshes what the user sees, so they see the change right away.
I see.
No more copying and pasting, no more mismatched data.
That is elegant.
Yeah.
So simple, but so effective.
Right.
Did you give any examples of how it works, like in a real situation?
Yeah, she did.
Okay.
She talks about using it to update a statements field in her blog post.
Okay.
So say the field has welcome in it.
Mm-hmm.
Using the pop-up and her replace button,
Yeah.
someone can change it to welcome to Acumatica with just one click.
So it's not just about getting the data from the pop-up.
Right.
You can actually use that data to change existing content.
Exactly.
That can be really useful for Acumatica consultants today.
Absolutely.
What else could you use this for?
I mean, imagine anytime you need to streamline how data gets entered, make sure it's accurate.
Okay. Yeah.
Like customizing vendor records, updating inventory, even managing project tasks.
Lots of possibilities.
Tons.
This replace button thing,
Yeah.
it really shows you how powerful Acumatica's customization framework is.
I agree.
You don't have to settle for clunky workarounds or just put up with things being inefficient.
Nope.
With a little ingenuity, you can make the system do exactly what your client needs.
It's all about being creative.
Exactly.
What I really like about Premalatha's solution is it's not just technical.
It's about the user, too.
Exactly. Making Acumatica more intuitive, more efficient for everyone.
It really shows you how big of a difference a small customization can make, both for usability and keeping your data clean. And it's great to see Acumatica consultants like Premalatha coming up with these kinds of solutions.
Definitely. It makes you think about what other little things are out there.
Right.
Things that could totally change how we all use Acumatica.
Exactly. And for anyone listening who might be dealing with similar customization problems, remember, you don't have to start from scratch.
That's where Tayana Solutions comes in.
They've got a whole team of experts, and they deal with this stuff every day.
Yeah, they have so much experience across all kinds of Acumatica modules and industries.
So if you're stuck,
they can help.
They can definitely help you find the right solution.
You're sure.
If you want to learn more about Tayana Solutions and what they can do with Acumatica, give them a call at 678-910-2774.
They can help you streamline implementations, tackle tough customizations, anything you need to really get the most out of Acumatica.
So remember, the next time you run into a small but frustrating issue in Acumatica, think about Premalatha's replace button.
Maybe there's a simple and elegant solution like that waiting for you.
You might be amazed at what a difference it makes.